Krabi, located on the west coast of Thailand, is known for its stunning beaches, limestone cliffs, and clear blue waters. It is a popular destination for tourists who want to relax, unwind, and experience the beauty of Thailand's natural scenery. In this guide, we will explore the best things to do and see in Krabi, including the top beaches, islands, and activities. We will also provide tips on where to stay, how to get around, and what to expect when visiting this beautiful part of Thailand. Getting to Krabi. The easiest way to get to Krabi is by flying into Krabi International Airport, which is located about 15 kilometers from the city center. Many airlines offer flights to Krabi from major cities in Thailand and other countries in Asia. If you are traveling from Bangkok, you can take a bus or a flight to Krabi. The bus journey takes around 10 hours, while the flight takes around 1 hour and 20 minutes. Best time to visit Krabi. The best time to visit Krabi is from November to April when the weather is dry and sunny. During this time, the temperatures are pleasant, and the humidity is low, making it ideal for outdoor activities. From May to October, the region experiences the monsoon season, which brings heavy rain and high winds. While this is not the best time to visit Krabi, it is still possible to enjoy the region's natural beauty, as long as you are prepared for the weather. Top beaches in Krabi. Railay Beach. This stunning beach is located on a peninsula and is accessible only by boat. It is known for its clear blue waters, white sand, and limestone cliffs, which make it a popular destination for rock climbing. Ao Nang Beach. This is one of the most popular beaches in Krabi, located just a few kilometers from the city center. It is a long stretch of golden sand, lined with restaurants, bars, and shops. Koh Phi Phi. This is a group of islands located about 45 minutes by speedboat from Krabi. The main island, Phi Phi Don, is known for its beautiful beaches, clear water, and vibrant nightlife. Klong Muang Beach. This is a quieter beach, located about 25 kilometers from Krabi town. It is a great place to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Top islands to visit in Krabi. Koh Hong. This is a small island located just a short boat ride from Krabi. It is known for its stunning lagoon, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. Koh Lanta. This is a group of islands located south of Krabi. The main island, Koh Lanta Yai, is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, and laid-back atmosphere. Koh Yao Noi. This is a small island located halfway between Krabi and Phuket. It is known for its stunning scenery, quiet beaches, and friendly locals. Koh Phi Phi. As mentioned earlier, this is a group of islands located about 45 minutes by speedboat from Krabi. It is a popular destination for day trips and island hopping. Top activities in Krabi. Rock climbing. Krabi is a world-renowned destination for rock climbing, with numerous limestone cliffs and breathtaking views. Scuba diving and snorkeling. The crystal-clear waters of Krabi are perfect for scuba diving and snorkeling. You can explore the colorful coral reefs and spot a variety of marine life, including tropical fish, turtles, and even sharks. Kayaking. You can explore the mangrove forests and limestone cliffs of Krabi by kayaking. It is a peaceful and relaxing way.